everyone, welcome to QWide Pharmacy Study Circle. Today, every weekly once time, MCQs Pustak is very discuss about MCQ Pustak and pharmaceutics MCQs in GPAT or NIPER, all competitive pharmacy related examinations. It's a very helpful in this MCQs. GPAT NIPER Railways also use it in this section. Please watch this video. Today class, let's start the class. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not a unit dosage form? Option A tablets, option B powders, option C pellets, option D suppositors. Answer powders. Explanation. Powders are dry bulk solid composed of a large number of very fine particles. Question number 2. Chyawanprash is a option A solid dosage form, option B semi-solid dosage form, option C liquid dosage form, option D none of the above. The correct answer is semi-solid. Explanation. Chyawanprash is a jam-like cooked mixture having sugar, honey, triple, ghee and berries. Question number 3. Monophasic liquids are option A colloidal solution, option B suspensions, option C emulsion, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A colloidal solution. Explanation. Clear liquid preparation containing one or more active ingredients dissolved in a suitable vehicle. Colloid solution also colloid suspensions. Question number 4. Colloidants used for contain option A nitrocellulose, option B cellulose, option C methyl cellulose, option D carboxymethyl cellulose. The correct answer is option A nitrocellulose. Explanation. Syrup solution of the pyroxylene. Question number 5. Propylene glycol is used in eardrop as option A preservative, option B additive, option C solvent, option D none of the above. The correct answer is C solvent. Explanation. Propylene glycol is also called as propane 1,2-diol. It is also used in solvent in aqueous vehicles, less viscous solution than glycerol. Question number 6. International system of units SI include option A metric system, option B apothecary system, option C Avogadro system, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A metric system. International explanation. International aggregate decimal system of measurement. Question number 7. In apothecaries is the standard unit of for weight is option A grain, option B pound, option C scruple, option D pound. Correct answer is answer A grain. Explanation. System of weight is a historical system of mass units. Question number 8. In Avogadro system, the standard unit for unit of weighing. Option A drachm, option B pound, option C grain, option D gram. The correct option is B pound. Explanation. Avogadro's system is a system of weights based on pound of 16 ounces. Question number 9. Implants are designed option A prolonged action, option B increased efficiency, option C fast action, option D none of the above. The correct answer A prolonged action. Explanation about implant is a medical device manufactured to replace biological structure support a damaged in biological made devices. Question number 10. A prodrug is option A pharmacologically inactive derivative, option B insert substance, option C medicinal active, option D none of the above. The correct option is option A pharmacological inactive derivative. Explanation. Medication that is administered in an active from normal metabolic process. Example aspirin and salicylic acid. Question number 11. Lozenges are solid doses form intended for option A faster action, option B slow action, option C slow dissolution, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B slow action. Explanation: throat lozenges, cough drop, throat cough or cough sweet is a small dissolved slowly in the mouth. Question number 12. The standard unit of capacity measurement in imperial system. Option A milliliter, option B gallon, option C ounce, option D minimum. Correct answer is option B gallon. Explanation: gallon is a measure of a liquid capacity in both customer units and imperial system. Question number 13. Hermetically sealed container. Option A products loss of product during handling. Option B is impervious to air. Option C prevent loss of product from efference. Option D is a light resist. The correct answer is option B is impervious to air. Explanation: hermetically sealed container has the quality of the bean airtight. Question number 14. Hematic container used in option A oral solution, option B injectable, option C powders, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C powders. Explanation: the container is a impervious to gases. Question number 15. Soda lime glass is not suitable for parental solution because option A it is a mechanical weak, option B it releases alkali in solution, option C it loses its brilliance on repeated use, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B soda. Explanation: soda lime glass is prepared by the raw materials such as a sodium carbonate, soda lime, silicon dioxide, oxide, aluminum oxide. Question number 16. Which of this material is commonly used for closures? Option A rubber, option B metal, option C glass, option D plastic. The correct answer is option A rubber. Explanation: closures are devices used in RCL or bottle jug jar. Question number 17. Which one of the is used as a vulcanizing agent is rubber? Option A zinc oxide, option B sulfur, option D calcium carbonate, option D none of the above. Answer B sulfur. Explanation: chemical process for converting rubber or related polymer into more durable material by the addition is a sulfur. Question number 18. In aerosol regulation, dip tube is usually made of option A polyamides, option B polypropylene, option C neoprene, option D metal. The correct answer is option number B polypropylene. Explanation: polypropylene is the therapeutic polymer used in packing.